Why stress causes acne and what to eat to reduce it. In today's fast-paced life, especially for students, academic pressure, exam anxiety, and tight schedules can easily push the body into a constant state of stress. Many people don't realize that besides affecting mental health, stress can directly lead to acne, making our skin noticeably worse. This isn't just a personal feeling. It's backed by scientific research. Body is under stress. The adrenal glands release a hormone called cortisol. Known as the stress hormone, cortisol, when elevated, causes the sebaceous glands to produce more oil. As a result, excess oil clogs pores, creating the perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. And that's when acne breaks out. Not only stress often comes with late nights, unhealthy eating habits, and skipping skincare routines. Eating spicy or sugary foods, drinking bubble tea or sodas, these habits all contribute to acne flare-ups. Staying up late disrupts your body's biological clock, interferes with skin cell regeneration, and weakens its ability to heal. With all these factors combined, acne not only appears more easily, but also becomes more persistent and harder to heal. Stress can also weaken the immune system. When that happens, your skin lacks the defense it needs to fight off acne-causing bacteria. Inflammatory pimples may spread, become swollen, and leave scars if not treated properly. Some people, due to anxiety, also touch their face or pick at pimples, worsening the condition without even realizing it. In short, stress and acne are closely linked. The more stressed you are, the more prone you are to breakouts. To improve both skin and mental health, it's essential to balance study and rest, stay emotionally stable, get enough sleep, and maintain a healthy diet. A relaxed mind is one of the safest and most natural acne treatments you can start with today. What to reduce acne during stressful study periods? When school gets overwhelming, especially during exam season, prolonged stress can lead to severe breakouts. Instead of relying only on skincare or medications, a simpler and more sustainable approach is to eat the right foods. Choosing anti-inflammatory, hormone-balancing, and skin-supporting foods can heal your skin from the inside out. Leafy greens and fruits, rich in vitamins A, C, and E. These must-haves if you want clear skin. Vitamin A, carrots, pumpkin, amaranth, helps regulate oil production and supports skin regeneration. Vitamin C, oranges, grapefruit, kiwi, guava, brightens skin, acts as an antioxidant, and helps fade acne scars. Vitamin E, avocados, almonds, olive oil, protects against environmental damage and prevents inflammation. Daily intake of vegetables and fruits also improves digestion and helps the body detox, indirectly reducing acne. Salmon, mackerel, flax seeds, walnuts. Omega-3 fatty acids are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. They help calm redness, swelling, and hormonal acne. Students who often stay up late or eat spicy food are more prone to inflamed skin, and omega-3 is the perfect fix. You don't have to eat fish daily. Just 2 to 3 servings a week can already show visible improvement in your skin. Zinc foods. Zinc is essential for those with oily or acne-prone skin. It helps regulate oil production, boosts wound healing, and strengthens the immune system. Sources of zinc. Sunflower seeds. Seafood like shrimp and crab. Be eaten as snacks or added to meals. Probiotic food. Kimchi, pickled vegetables, low salt. Chronic stress can disrupt gut health, and an unhealthy gut often leads to skin problems. Probiotic-rich foods help balance gut bacteria, strengthen the immune system, and reduce hormonal acne. Serving of plain, unsweetened yogurt is a simple, affordable, and effective solution. Magic potion we often forget. As basic as it sounds, many students break out simply because they don't drink enough water. Water helps detox, hydrates the skin, calms inflammation, and keeps the body functioning smoothly. Aim to drink 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day, preferably plain or warm water. Avoid sugary drinks like bubble tea, soda, or coffee. They dry out the skin and trigger breakouts. Foods to avoid to keep acne under control during stressful times. When under pressure, many students opt for quick, convenient meals, but these often harm their skin. In addition to eating the right foods, it's equally important to stay away from acne-triggering foods. Refined sugar and sweets. Foods like candy, soft drinks, sweetened milk, and milk chocolate are acne's best friends. Sugar spikes insulin levels, causing oil glands to go into overdrive and clog pores. During intense study, the brain craves sugar for fast energy, but this quick fix often results in more oil, more pimples, and energy crashes soon after. Fried and greasy foods. Foods like fried chicken, fries, instant noodles, or sausages are tempting, especially during late-night study sessions. However, these are inflammatory foods that worsen acne. Foods increase internal heat, causing breakouts. Spicy ingredients irritate digestion, overload the liver, and prevent detox, leading to acne on cheeks and chin. If you want to study hard but still have clear skin, it's best to avoid these at night. Energy drinks and caffeinated beverages. Students drink coffee or energy drinks to stay awake, but caffeine worsens acne by increasing stress, disrupting sleep, and unbalancing hormones. These store-bought coffees or milk teas also contain extra sugar and condensed milk, doubling the skin damage. Salty foods and MSG, monosodium glutamate. Sugar, too much salt, and MSG also harm the skin. Salty foods cause water retention, leading to puffiness, large pores, and a dull complexion. They also burden the liver and kidneys, weakening the body's detox process. Instant noodles, canned foods, snacks, and sausages are packed with salt and preservatives. Regular intake can worsen acne and even affect blood pressure and heart health. Dairy products, for those sensitive to them. Some people have acne-prone skin that reacts to cow's milk, cheese, or cream. The hormones in dairy can stimulate oil glands and lead to clogged pores. If you notice skin worsening after consuming dairy, try switching to plant-based milk, like almond or oat milk, healthier and skin-friendly. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your face, it's about what you put into your body. During stressful study periods, be kind to your skin by avoiding sugary, oily, spicy, and caffeinated foods. Equals better learning. Instead of fast food, choose smart food because your skin deserves better.